Mastering idioms. Mop the floor with, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting English idiom. Mop the floor with. Idioms like these can add color to our conversations and help us express ideas in a vivid and culturally rich way. Understanding them is key to mastering the English language, so let's get started. The phrase, mop the floor with, is used to describe a situation where one person or team completely outperforms or defeats another, often in a very easy or humiliating manner. It's important to note that this idiom is usually used in a competitive context, such as sports, games, or any form of contest. While the exact origin of mop the floor with is a bit murky, it's believed to stem from the early 20th century, drawing imagery from the act of literally mopping the floor. It implies that the winner is so dominant that they could use the loser to mop the floor. Today, it's used more figuratively to express a thorough victory or dominance over someone else. To help you understand how to use mop the floor with in conversation, here are a few examples. During the chess tournament, Maria mopped the floor with her opponents, winning every game with ease. The new debate team is outstanding. They mopped the floor with the competition at the national championship. I thought I was good at video games until I played against Alex. He mopped the floor with me. It's crucial to understand the context in which you use this idiom. Since it implies a significant defeat, it might not be appropriate in formal situations or where it could be seen as bragging or derogatory. Always consider the tone and setting of your conversation. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, mop the floor with. We hope this video has illuminated another colorful facet of the English language for you. Remember, idioms like these can add depth and flair to your conversations, so don't be afraid to use them. Thanks for watching, and happy learning! Remember, mastering a language is all about understanding the nuances and cultural context of its idioms and expressions. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself becoming more proficient and expressive in English every day.